Today we're looking at the modification of a rechargeable drill if you imagine the drill as being cut off, so the base that takes the 24 volt rechargeable battery is going to be usable as a power supply for our electric motor powering the radio controlled Sidecar outfit. Inside the cut-off handle we have the all-important positive and negative connections that worked well on the original drill. Advantages of this is the easily changeable rechargeable battery, of which I now have 4. We see that they have 2 connections. This is the positive, this is the negative. It is clearly marked, cast into the mounting plastic, so that's good for reference. Take it a step at a time. I've extended the wiring from the quick connect inside this handle with some heavy cable, mounted it in a vise just for safety, and we now have 2 bare ends which are an extension of the connects inside here. Testing the rechargeable battery, we see we've got, hope you can see that, over 26 volts available. So if I put this onto that and it clicks in place as it would normally on a rechargeable drill, test the voltage, and we have 26 volts steady. That gives us power at the extension lead for powering our radio controlled electric motor.